This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is makeup confessions, and every single time I hear the word confessions, I kind of get a little bit nervous. I have a card. She has a card. She has absolutely no ideas. She has no idea what the questions are that I have, and I have no idea. The first question I have for you, makeup confessions. What's the biggest lie you have told your parents? And big up to the parents of them watching right now.
Well, I know my mother's watching. Mommy, I'm sorry. However, when well, I'm telling my mother these things. Mommy, you remember that time when we were at the house and you asked me if it's me take the money from your drawer? And I said no.
You is a thief, Zagina.
It wasn't a lot of money, but I wanted it. So I took it.
Mommy, take back your money. She's a thief. But is the same red money? Is the same red money the thief?
But it's not all about money, but it's a little bit of money.
I thought you were going to say that it's not only money you thief from your mother bag.
No, and I just mommy me take it from.
Okay. Oh, wow. Guys, make sure you check your bags before we leave the makeup room here.
No.
What's the one thing? Oh, it's my turn.
What about this? What secret? I love this question, by the way. Ooh, I know you're tuned in because you're her bestie. Hi, Garfine. How you doing? What secret are you keeping from Garfine?
That's so easy. He knows absolutely everything about me.
Terry, I'm not even go. You know something.
Listen, right now we could have a game show and there's absolutely nothing that anybody could bring up to him and he wouldn't know. Boom! Hey Garfine, my time. What's the one thing you would change about yourself?
Oh gosh, I really must tell you this question. I was answering.
Oh, it's just you and me. It's just you and me.
It's not you and me. It's the rest of Jamaica, right? Okay, physically or like.
Anything. And if you want to give us physical or maybe... No, give us both.
All right. I'm not really a plastic surgery person. And I'm okay with, like, the shape of my body. But when I was a kid, I was very tomboy. So I would pull up a chippy on my foot. Like, if you look at my foot good, yeah, that's why they keep the camera far from me in the studio. Because if it look good, like, there's a chip ear, a cut ear, a scrape ear, so... Tater, yeah. So I just want like a head to toe, like a I want cocoa butter skin. I tend to be a little too emotional sometimes. So I'd kind of, tough up. Yeah.
Those are nice.
Give me the mic. Have you ever had a crush on your friend's significant? Oh, at least them said them could have asked me because I already know. Have you ever had a crush on your friend's significant other? Terry, I can't manage you. You're too lie.
Never. Well, first of all, I don't have a lot of friends. Let's just get that out of the way. My circle is extremely, extremely small. And for those of us who are together, we kind of grew up together and we endorse each other. So like, me not really depend on them someday,
But the heart wants what it wants, so how do you...
My heart never want nothing when nobody else have. And it's not that the partners of my friends are not nice, but I just... They're not... I can hear them laughing. I can hear Master laughing. Have you ever spoken about someone behind their back and they heard? Why these questions though?
No, not really, because me the kind of person who just tell it to your face, But people talk about me, I'm ear. Yeah, I heard. And then you know what I did? I went back and I said, hey, my ear say you say. Are true? No, I can't do that because I get people in trouble.
But is the reaction usually like, me? No, man. Or is it
like, yeah, I say so. I will deal with it. Our guest is in here cracking up, by the way.
Hi, Sabrina.
It's my turn. Okay. Terry, I feel like you're skirt out of the question. Like you're not giving me the actual...
As we would say, God above.
I leave it to the Lord. What is the last thing you regret doing?
The last thing I regret doing? I was going to say the last thing I regretted doing was doing veterinary medicine in Cuba because I came back and I wasn't able to practice it. Yeah, it's not accredited. Like students who study veterinary medicine in Cuba, they're not accredited. They can't study here. And I was told I'd have to go to Trinidad and Tobago or Alabama. And I was going to say that was probably my biggest regret because I always wanted to be a veterinarian. But I can't necessarily say it has been a regret because that door of opportunity closed and so many other things that I didn't know I could do, like media and public relations and marketing, just became a part of my life. And that wouldn't have happened if I didn't. But it's interesting what my life would be if I was practicing veterinary medicine. Look at her face. Don't be emotional. Look at your face. Look at Which of the characters in your plays have you identified with the most? And by the way, Mate Chronicles is the bomb. Not saying.
Hey, I hear the laughter coming from.
Not saying. No shade. Not saying that character is the one that she most. You know, to answer the question. I'm so sorry. No shade.
But don't like the preamble that came with that question. But don't like. I don't know. Stop laughing into the production room. Aaron in there. Aaron to the headset. Stop laughing. No. Let me tell you. The thing is, with her name is Lola. And stop it, man. I can hear you, Burrow. But the thing is with Lola, I actually envy her strength. So I don't identify with her as much as I envy her being such a strong woman. I am. Lord, enough people me play now. Who me identify with? The last person that I identified with so much was Stop it.
Just say Mate. Just say Lola.
It's just that.
You envy her not because she's a matey.
There's a piece of me that identifies. There's a piece of me that identifies with all of them, and them say, well, I forgot it. A lot.
Well, guys, that was Makeup Confessions. Lola. Sorry, Sakina and I. We'll be right back, guys.